So I was lucky, I have faith in the Almighty. I believe that death is in Almighty's hands. We try and take precautions, but eventually, when the time comes, you go. So I have conquered my fear of dying. But the thing is, the government parties and the establishment, they do not want to see me in power. So hence this crackdown has taken place where they've virtually tried to dismantle my party. But the problem they are facing is that you can get rid of the leadership. You can even try and tell, the sort of pressures they are putting on our leaders to leave my party, or even our ticket holders to leave, not stand on our ticket. I mean, it's never happened in Pakistan before. Such naked fascism has never taken place in this country before. But what is happening is that the vote bank is intact. In fact, the vote bank is growing. So they have a problem now. Even though they can get rid of, some of our senior leadership by pressuring them to leave the party, but the problem is the vote bank is increasing, if anything. So this is where the dilemma is. What do they do next? I think they will put me in jail. They'll try to disqualify me. That is where we are headed right now. But, it's not going to, even whenever there are elections, my party is going to win the elections. So even if I'm in jail, the party is going to win the elections. So, answer to your question, Mario, yes, it's a very tough time. Toughest time for me in my 27 years of politics, probably in my life, 70 years of life. But it is much worse for my workers who are now stuck in this heat and these cells and jails and not being fed properly. That worries me much more.